Hello everybody, we are back with another waxing video. I forgot that I had this waxing kit in my storage unit, so I thought I would try and figure it out. It comes with these wax beads and you put them in this silicone cup and microwave it, and then it has this little spatula. So I'm hoping that this will work better than the waxing strips. For reference, if you want to go back and watch my other video where I tried the NADS natural wax strips, they didn't work too good, but my main areas I'm focusing on are my pits and my heating instructions. Microwave melting cup, pour desired amount of hard wax beads into microwave melting cup. Place cup in center of microwave. Heating times vary with each microwave. Heat 40 in 45-second increments until wax has thickened or caramelized. Carefully remove melting cup from microwave using reinforced handle. Application. Test wax temperature on the inside of your wrist before application so you don't burn yourself. Clean area to remove excess oil, makeup, or lotions. I've already showered and I did not put any body lotion on afterwards. For best results, hair should be at least 1/4 of an inch long. Well, we'll make it work. Holding the silicone applicator at a 45-degree angle, apply a thick layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Allow wax to cool on skin until it becomes soft and pliable, approximately 30 seconds. Hold the skin taut and pull wax off parallel to the skin. Let's do it. So as you can see, I have used this once before, like years ago. I don't really think those wax beads go bad, but I was using a microwave that kind of sucked, and I just felt like it wasn't heating up the wax enough. And I was having to go, like, run from the kitchen back to the bath. Like, it was just a nightmare. So I think that it will work better here because I'm in an RV right now, so I can like run from the kitchen, which is right there, back into the bathroom with this still being warm. And also get refills of these. You can get these wax beads online anywhere. They kind of have a little bit of a scent, but they mostly just smell like wax, like candle wax. It's also like silicone, not just hard plastic. I'm going to put in like literally that. Do you think that's enough? I don't know. It's better to start small. I'm going to go put this in for 45 and see what we get. Okay, so I did this for longer than 45 seconds and the beads are like barely melted. So I think we're going to have to zap this, sis. We are getting somewhere now. I don't know if you can see. I did an entire minute. And it's starting to melt, so we're gonna do another minute, okay? Definitely melted now, so this was around like 2.5 minutes total. I feel like it's very, very hot. You have to be careful not to burn yourself. Like, you can definitely, sometimes what's more painful than the waxing is if the wax is too hot and you burn yourself. But you still have to work quickly because this hardens really quick. I don't really know. This is hard to do on yourself. Ow. Okay, no, that did burn. Ow, girl. But it hardens so fast. Like, that's the difficult part, is like timing out. Ow. Ow, girl. Allow wax to cool on skin until it becomes soft, approximately 30 seconds. In the opposite direction of hair growth. Okay. Okay. Ow. It's working though. Ah! Oh! It worked though. Dang, it worked though. Okay, no, it works. She works, though. Can you guys see this? Can you see this? Let's get a little closer. Can you see that? It worked. She works. Honestly, the most difficult thing is waxing yourself because you have to be in a position where the skin is spread out. but then you're trying to like do it. It's not easy. Okay, get a good grip on it. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got him. We got him. I need to pull the wax lower, like, because I'm just missing the parts that are lower, because you have to, like, kind of pull it up a little bit to get a grip. So make sure the wax goes farther down than where the hair growth is. But this is definitely better than the strips. I just got done doing my bikini line, and pretty similar to my armpits, definitely better than the wax strips I used prior. But my biggest issue, aside from the fact that I didn't have enough growth, to be quite frank, this doesn't stay warm for long enough. So you're constantly going to be running back and forth from the microwave, and it's a kind of a messy application. I think it would be better to just get one of those heated warmers that you keep the beads in, and it keeps the wax beads at a certain temperature. It's just too much of a hassle to be mid-wax. Your armpits are burning, your bikini line's burning. It's not pleasant to do, and you're just running back and forth from your microwave. So I would say this is still better than the wax strips kit that I got, but it's definitely not the best. Maybe if you're just doing a quick top lip, or you're just doing a quick armpit situation. But if you're trying to do a bikini line and do it really detailed and do it really accurately, I don't think this is viable for that. So thanks for watching this waxing video.